Hi everybody, this is Home Theater Man. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Klipsch PRO-180RPC. Now I did a video on this earlier, but for some reason my dad decided if he forgot to film it, the whole thing. So and I already opened it when I thought he was filming me. So this is what I'm already doing. I bought 4 of these PRO-180RPC. Again, they are called the PRO-180RPC instrument speaker. So here's the unboxing video of it. Again, I have 3 other ones that have not been opened yet. I didn't feel like doing another opening up another one just for the heck of it. Here we go. I have some light in the lamp here so I can see what I'm doing. It's dark in this basement at night. Looks like here we got a round grill for my 180 RPC. Looks like we got a square grill for the 180 RPC. I'm not sure what this thing is. I know this is like for if you want to paint around your ceiling. You just put this over top of your speaker, and that way you don't get ruined. I don't know what these are. Yeah. But anyways, here's my in-ceiling speaker here. This is one of my in-ceiling speakers. I got all 4 of them brand new. And I would also like to give a shout out to Divine AV. They are a home theater enthusiast. They install home theaters. They do a really good job on their home theater installation. Again, you can follow them on YouTube. They do amazing work on their home theaters. What they do, they do anything from custom home theaters to anything you want in your home theater. Again, the name is Divine AV Home Theater. And here we are. Here's the in-ceiling speaker. It has an 8-inch woofer. I do believe this is rated at 200. I guess it's 200 watts. Peak power handling. This is my. Say you got your lock mechanism. Lock mechanism. Look like you have your treble here. Say your treble. This pretty much you just put inside the ceiling first, and once you do that, you put this inside it. It clips right in, and this is what goes inside the ceiling. Again, this has an 8-inch woofer. And this is my in-ceiling speaker, pretty big. Yep. So anyways, please leave a comment down below of what you guys' thoughts are for in-ceiling speakers. Please like and subscribe. Home Theater Man out.